What is your sense, Peter, onto this one? Because I understand we just, all the global exchanges just about followed on what happened with the WTI May contract here. What has been your global experience when you look at Australia, when you look at the trading around in Europe, etc.? How is the negative pricing really taking in?
I think, well, it certainly took everyone very much by surprise, Manisha. It was, I think, it was jaw-dropping. It was very, very difficult to appreciate or understand or take on board the mechanisms, and that would be from a lay person that doesn't trade on the markets. From a seasoned retail trader, a person would be looking and scratching their heads going, this just doesn't make sense. So then you look at the big commercials and the hedge funds and so on. I still think that those guys would be looking at it going, well, we haven't seen that one before, but it makes a lot of sense, and maybe that's just the way that the system is designed. Where it moves from here, there is no doubt in my mind that volatility, that storyline isn't going away, and oil is an asset class that it's the wildest commodity. It's the wildest market, I think. If you look at what happened in 2008, it went to 148. I was in New York that week when it hit 147.50 or 148. Mind-blowing times. And now you're looking 12 years later and you go minus $38. I mean, that just doesn't make sense. So we understand that oil is such an important part of our daily life, everyone in the world, and it's a commodity that trades broadly, and volatility is its best friend. So I don't think those days are going to stop. I don't know what the future holds as far as 5 years out or 10 years out, but I think it'll still remain incredibly volatile. And the storyline over the short run is going to be one of hold on to your hats. And it's not a market for everyone to trade, Manisha. You've got to be very conscious of that. You look at the fundamentals, look at the technicals, look at seasonality, geopolitics. This is big boys business. This truly is not for someone to just, have a random play on. And I just hope that, traders are very mindful of that, and they use their own risk metrics and their own due diligence and don't bet over their head.